This is Wavy lace front wig. I hope y'all enjoyed watching me style this messy bob. I'm just gonna split it in half, do the hair. Because I'm going for a messy bob, I'm not gonna touch the texture of the hair at all. All I'm gonna do is cut and maybe add some layers. Y'all know I love a blunt cut. I just can't help myself, especially because this is not the length that I wanna stay at. I'm gonna hold the longest pieces right here, and I'm just going to cut the tip off. Okay, same thing on this side. And again, I'm no stylist, child, so you could definitely do whatever you want, but this is what I'm gonna do. And boom, now we have our blunt cut. I'm gonna keep working on shaping, and y'all can just watch me do it in a really quick time lapse, and then we'll get to the rest of the install. All right, so I have my messy bob, I have my layers, I have my blunt cut. I'm happy. Just to keep the natural look that I have going on, I'm really only gonna do baby hairs near my ears, and I'm not gonna do them up here. I wanna keep that glueless look up there. So I'm just gonna flip this back, and we're just going to curl them. I'm just gonna take some wax and wax the hairline back just a little bit. This will also help keep that shape that it has going on right now. And then I'm going to also wax a little bit of the part in the back and then the crown of the head. I really want to make sure the hair can just keep its natural shape. So to ensure that, basically just gonna hot comb it back and then let the weight of the hair bring it down. Same thing on this side. And I think I'm also going to emphasize these bangs just a little bit more. Just adds like a little bit more body. Same thing on this side. Now I'm just gonna grab a little bit of cream foundation and I'm gonna finish tinting my lace. And last but not least, I'm gonna emphasize my part line with a lighter cream foundation. And that's it. Yeah, I'm definitely in love